So, you might have come across Derma Botanica while scrolling online, especially on social media, where skincare brands seem to pop up everywhere. The brand presents itself as a science-backed, dermatologist-developed skincare line that combines nature and research to give you healthier, glowing skin. According to their claims, they focus on multifunctional products that simplify your routine while still delivering strong results. Instead of using many different products, they say their formulas are designed to work together and cover multiple skin needs at once. The overall message is pretty appealing: fewer products, better skin, and a balance between natural ingredients and science. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, when we look at the product side, Derma Botanica does follow a pretty standard skincare approach. They offer things like retinol serums, overnight repair serums, face oils, cleansers, and moisturizers. These are all common in the skincare world, and nothing immediately feels strange or unrealistic. The way they describe their products is also quite detailed, which is actually a good sign. They explain how to use them, what ingredients are included, and what kind of results you should expect over time. That kind of transparency is usually missing in low-quality or scammy websites. Another positive point is that they don't promise instant miracles. Instead of saying your wrinkles will disappear overnight, they talk about gradual improvements like better hydration, smoother texture, and reduction in fine lines over time. That kind of claim is much more realistic and aligns with how skincare actually works. But now let's talk about some concerns and real user experiences, because this is where things get a bit mixed. A big red flag is that many people say they discovered the brand through heavy social media promotion. When a product suddenly appears everywhere in your feed, it often means aggressive marketing is involved. That doesn't automatically make it a scam, but it does mean you should be careful and not rely only on ads. Another concern is the lack of widespread, independent reviews. Some users have mentioned that they tried searching for honest feedback, but couldn't find much outside of social media. That can make it harder to judge how reliable the brand really is. Looking at actual user experiences, the feedback is clearly mixed. Some people say their skin felt more hydrated and smoother after using the products for a few weeks. A few users even noticed improvements in fine lines and dark spots, especially with consistent use of retinol. That's definitely a positive sign and suggests the products might work for some skin types. However, not everyone had a good experience. Some users reported breakouts after just a few uses, especially with certain serums. Others felt their skin actually looked worse in the beginning, which could be due to irritation or simply the skin adjusting, but it's still something to be aware of. There are also comments about certain products being slightly drying or having fragrance, which not everyone prefers. Another interesting point is that some users themselves felt unsure and even suspected it might be a scam just because of how aggressively it was being promoted online. That kind of reaction shows a lack of strong trust in the brand, at least at this stage. So overall, Derma Botanica doesn't look like a clear scam, but it also isn't a fully proven, widely trusted brand yet. It has some good signs like detailed product information, realistic claims, and some positive user feedback. But at the same time, the heavy marketing, limited independent reviews, and mixed user experiences mean you should be cautious. If you're thinking about trying it, it's probably a good idea to start with just one product instead of buying a full bundle. That way, you can see how your skin reacts before investing more money. And always remember, skincare is very personal. What works for one person might not work for another.